Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your apartment guide subscription step by step clearly. To activate your apartment guide subscription, start by opening your web browser. Visit the official apartment guide website. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign in button. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. This includes your email address and password. If you don't have an account, look for the Sign Up option. Click on Sign Up to create a new account. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email, and password. Once completed, click the Create Account button. After logging in or creating a new account, navigate to the Subscription section. You may find this in your account dashboard or under a menu labeled Subscriptions. Look for the option that says Activate Subscription or similar. Click on the Activation option to proceed. You might be prompted to enter your subscription code. If you have a code, type it into the provided field. If you don't have a code, check your email for any subscription confirmation. Once the code is entered, click on the Activate button. After activation, you should see a confirmation message. This indicates that your apartment guide subscription is now active. If you encounter any issues, check the FAQ section for troubleshooting tips. Should problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.